What do people mean when they say alcoholism? They are meaning that there is a problem with alcohol. Is it that alcohol itself a problem? No. From a medical point of view, we have to understand when they are talking about alcoholism, we are talking about three different stages or three different levels.
Right.
The first one is alcohol use. We are talking about almost 12 to 13%. That's 12 to 13 crore Indians who are using alcohol. That's the first thing. Second is alcohol abuse or harmful problems. These are people who, because of taking alcohol, have developed problems. One, at their physical level. Second, at their psychological level, or their education, their occupation, multiple domains of their life. They have developed problems because of taking alcohol, but they do not recognize it. It is the families who think that they have got problem. And when they say that he has problem or you are having problem, the person is not able to understand, he continues to take alcohol. And that is the second stage, which we call it as abuse or harmful use. And the medical problem, that is the last stage, which is generally considered as alcoholism or alcoholic. When somebody is called, it is actually the alcohol dependent syndrome.
Right.
This is a condition, this is purely a medical condition like a diabetes or hypertension, where this individual has developed tolerance for alcohol. The dosage or the amount of alcohol that he used to take earlier no more suffices at this particular stage. He needs to take more and more alcohol to have the same elated or the kick, that is generally the word that is used. Second, they have withdrawals when they stop taking alcohol. That is, when they stop taking alcohol, they might develop tremors, sweating, and other problems because of abrupt stop. And some of the withdrawal symptoms can be very complicated as well. So when we are talking about alcoholism, it is generally the alcohol dependent syndrome, which is a medical problem that we are addressing, which is almost 1 to 2% of our population. We are looking at 1.2 to 2 crore Indians who are having this alcohol dependent syndrome.
When does an individual ideally identify himself or their loved one to say that they've moved from various stages? I think this question is asked to both of us. So how do we know that they've slipped away from a casual drinker or a social drinker to that of a dependent user or finally an alcohol dependent syndrome? What would those key indicators be?
It is very difficult for a family member to recognize their individual, their family, their loved ones, which stage are they in. This is purely a medical diagnosis, medical understanding, that when a team of professionals, when they interact, when they do assessment, they get to know if he is in that harmful use or an abuse, the stage that he's in, or he has moved into a dependent pattern. But broadly speaking, for a family member to understand, for them to know if this individual, my loved one, is dependent user, as I earlier said, one, the tolerance levels for the alcohol has gone up.
Right.
Something which I was able to get the same kick for a 1 quarter or 2 quarter, now I might need an entire bottle, to have the same kind of a, feeling. That is one. Second is the withdrawals, which is the most, prominent one that we see. And third one, of course, is the physical health issues that they develop over a period of time because of abusing alcohol.